Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty Bank Nifty tomorrow and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the chart of Nifty today, after a gap up opening we saw a consolidation, and after 3 o'clock we saw sell off. So tomorrow if Nifty opens around 17,050, and if it breaks 17,000 and sustains below 17,000 for few minutes, then it can fall till 16,900 and 16,850, 16,800. So Nifty has 2-3 supports in the range of 16,800 and 16,900. So Nifty can test that if it breaks 17,000, and it should not break 16,800. But if it breaks it, then tomorrow, since we have expiry and sustaining below 16,800, can lead to long unwinding, and Nifty can go till 16,700, 16,650. And on the higher side we have resistance in the range of 17,200, 17,300. So 17,300 looks the higher end for tomorrow's expiry. Now let's check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed around 37,300 support level, and once it breaks it, Bank Nifty can fall till 37,100, 37,000, and below 37,000 it can test 36,800, 36,600 levels, and on the higher side 37,800, 38,000 will act as a resistance, and Bank Nifty have multiple resistance in the range of 37,600 and 37,800. And Bank Nifty should not break 36,600 tomorrow, but in case it goes below it, Bank Nifty can test 36,400. Now let's check stocks. So our first stock is Dabur, and if you see, it has started making a lower low, lower high formation, and after a fall, a inside candle was formed, and today it broke the low. So tomorrow you can sell Dabur below 540. You'll have to maintain a stop loss at 545, and the next support is at 530. So 530 will be your target. Now let's check our second stock. So our second stock is Sun Pharma. We saw a sell off in Sun Pharma and yesterday it bounced, but today we are seeing a negative candle formation. So you can sell Sun Pharma below 838, that is today's day low. You will have to maintain a stop loss at 845, and your first target will be 825. The green candle slow, and once Sun Pharma goes below it, Sun Pharma can fall till 800 to 780. So that's all for today's video. If you liked my video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.